Hey everyone, welcome to the beginner's guide to FlexClip, the easy to use online video editor that lets you create professional looking videos without any software downloads or editing experience. Whether you are making content for marketing, social media, or just for fun, FlexClip has everything you need. First, sign up or log in using your Google or Facebook. Once you are in, your home dashboard will appear, where you can access save projects, templates, and tools. Every change is automatically saved, so no worries about losing progress. You can start from scratch or pick from thousands of templates. If you go with a blank project, choose your aspect ratio like 16:9 for YouTube or 9:16 for TikTok. For this tutorial, let's pick a template and customize it. On the left sidebar, you will find tools for adding media, text, audio, and effects. To add media, click the Media tab and choose from uploading your own files, recording from your screen or webcam, or selecting from FlexClip's huge stock library. Once added, drag your clips onto the timeline. You can then trim, split, rotate, adjust speed, or apply filters with just a few clicks. Now let's make your video stand out. Choose from pre-designed text styles, then adjust the font, size, color, and animations. Upload your own track or pick from FlexClip's copyright-free music library. Adjust volume, fade in or out effects, and trim to fit your video. Add smooth scene transitions with simple drag and drop. You can also use picture-in-picture effects by layering images or videos on top of scenes. FlexClip also comes with powerful AI tools to make editing effortless. AI subtitle generator, AI background remover, AI text to video, and AI voiceover. If you are interested in AI powered editing, check out these three things. Once you are happy with your edit, click export to download your video or share it instantly on social media. You can even generate a shareable link for easy distribution. And that's it. In just few minutes, you can create amazing videos with FlexClip, fast, easy, and professional. Start editing today and let your creativity shine. If this tutorial helped you, like, subscribe, and drop a comment on what you like to learn next. See you in the next video.